we not have any cons? So like you like this place the most? Anyway. Just viewed a 3-bedroom townhouse in the east. I won't say where, security, but in the east. Let's start with our overall thoughts in one liner before we go into pros and cons. So I will start first and say great experience. The viewing was a great experience on its whole. I felt very safe and I felt very community-like.
Okay, I will say that it was lovely. It does feel like home. I like the modernization, and I think there's a lot of room for growth and development and building like a family within the space.
Nice.
It was nice.
Alright, so pro, let's do it. And if you so let's start with you. Pro number 1.
Created community. If I was a security guard, I could have put some AC for him.
24/7 security guard.
Somewhere, right? You have to be confident with security, right? They have everything. They have a town with a lot of water supply, gates, water, clean up, as usual. Well.
Alright, okay. That's enough pro.
Okay, don't say all, okay.
Kisha, you're pro now. Everybody are telling you about your pro.
I think my pro was the space, also the layout. I found the layout was very nice and thoughtful. And my pro as well was that you get an end unit.
That's fun. So that we get to speak to the developer, but the maintenance person, the maintenance manager who was actually finalizing every single thing. And of course, a big pro is a new build, so nobody lived in there before, and it's brand new. So no spirit inside too, no spirit hunting, but yes, I think that was good pro. No flooding is a really good pro as well. I'm looking at the development now; it's a little over street level, great drainage. Any other pro? Pretty.
Yeah, as I said, I like how it seems like when you buy it, they'll drop in your everything. They want to take care of you, they want to answer your questions. If you realize there's a problem or something after you buy it, it's like they'll fix it. So you're like, oh, I like my phone, so I want to. So they're not being with you hanging. So I like that.
Yeah,
about the
I think the pro as well is that from what they describe, the community has a lot of professionals in there. I like that they have real plenty people in the security,
lawyers,
and military
and units.
In the street, jump over a wall and fling your back over.
Yes,
it's good.
So you know, it's around a nice. Hopefully, a nice group of people. Obviously, people will be people, right?
Yeah,
but
hopefully they are understanding and.
And I also think in terms of parking, the parking was decent for the townhouse.
2 parking spots and right in front of the home. Unlike the first viewing.
And then if you're having like a party or something, even the street parking here, it's
the street
good.
parking is decent, but also the sound system. It is soundproof. So when I have my podcast, I don't have to worry. Or somebody driving, I won't be able to hear it. I can do my podcast recordings freely.
Yeah.
So I love that. Yeah, I really, really love that. That is a year and a win for me. That you could be inside and not really be too bottom with the noises outside. Yeah,
I love that as well. And then it really isn't like based on the east-west corridor. Like it's really not far. Like it's pretty accessible, you know. And the driving was cool. I actually like this. I like this driving. Yeah.
Okay. Cons. Who wanna go first?
So a con for me is them vinyl tiles upstairs, which I think. Oh wait. We have to talk back. I have another
Pros,
pro.
yeah.
The cupboards. I get in the
Yeah.
cupboards and getting the air conditioning unit.
Backspace isn't that bad compared to when we see
Yeah,
it. Yeah, the
that was really
backspace isn't
serious.
that bad. They could really put up a nice
little
outdoor
area.
or something. Yeah.
Yeah.
Guys say
So I
put in a
think
pool
that's
and
good.
all.
Yeah, make it easy.
Yeah, a little mini jacuzzi.
But now they want a whole pool, but that. You don't want that.
Right.
So con.
Right, so right. The tiles. I do like the vinyl tiles. I know the man said, oh, it will last you till
Longer than, yeah,
whatever,
like,
but
whatever.
like no, because I already feeling the
Detaching.
yes.
Mm.
But that's something that you can always redo. So
Yeah.
it's not like and it's
No.
only upstairs. So
Yeah.
I'm not like gung ho, like oh my god, it's not like a
Yeah.
but obviously it's not my place. But that was a con. That was a con.
Yeah.
The showers are very spacious. Sorry, I'm not exposed to spot. The showers are actually
So it was nice.
a little bit spacious.
And then the master bedroom was big.
Yes, it was.
It was big. I
You
think
have a whole office space, your
the
bed
master
space,
bedroom was
yeah.
huge. Con for me, honestly, is kind of. I know we put location as pro, but I feel like location could be con as well because
Yes, we can.
it kind of looking like behind God back. I know there's promises of development and malls and all these different things, but before that comes, those things take years to build. Before that comes, it kind of seems like a little bit behind God back, or maybe I'm just comparing it to like where I live now.
You know, tongue people.
Compare,
We
yeah.
are accustomed. We are accustomed to the convenience. Everything right there.
Exactly. So maybe that is kind of it for me. Well, cons. Do we not have any cons?
Yes.
You have any pros
Any cons? Burn, use cons,
or
boss.
cons?
You have 10 million cons. So wait, you like this place the most?
Anyways,
Out of would you rate this one for you?
this is the number one.
Number one for you in terms of price and what they're offering. I agree. I will give this number one.
This will be number one.
This
for
will be
me
number
as
one.
well.
So all three of us
I
number
don't have
one.
much cons or
You don't have much.
I didn't get like a negative.
I like the vibe though.
Yeah.
I think the real estate agent did a good job of making
He
us
was
feel
so
cozy
sweet.
and nice to talk to and laugh and those
still
kind of
actually
things.
spoke about
Yeah,
the house.
but still
He
spoke about
wanted
the house,
to
and he
get
didn't speak
everything
about
answered.
him all the time. You know,
Yes.
yeah. He was like, "Do you have any other questions? What questions how you all feel?"
I like that he was
Yeah.
direct. Like
Yeah.
he was going through it. Like he had a
Yeah.
process.
He
you
didn't
know?
look
this
like
is
he was
this,
in a
this
rush.
is that. That's
He
yes,
didn't look
exactly.
Like some
I
of
like this is genuinely a good deal and
Yeah.
before you
He
take it on
impressed.
him listener because somebody else
Yeah.
can't get it. Like that was his vibe.
Yeah.
He was confident that it's gonna be sold because I think he said he sold two
Yeah.
or
He
three.
sold
And he said
coffee
he forgave that
already.
one and
It as well. I like that it had a lot of outlets.
yeah, even 2 on one wall. I've never saw so many.
It had a lot
I
of
saw
outlets.
almost two outlets on
What
each
is
room.
sucking at the city?
And it also has a lot of I like the exhaust fan and stuff in the bathroom.
Yeah, the ventilator.
That's good.
But I was wondering same thing with the window. I really like that bathroom below the step. I was
Right.
The
looking.
powder room. Yeah, the
The one
powder room.
downstairs, yeah.
They have one there as well.
Yeah, I really like that.
Why you don't like it below
Oh,
the
you
step?
don't like
Nothing
it?
else about the below the step?
I know,
Top
but that
plenty
was-
powder rooms with that layout.
Yeah, and I don't find anything was wrong with it.
What you didn't
I
like
guess
about
it
it?
saves space. I guess it saves space.
And I guess how they build it too, you
Only
could
that's
you could
that.
record content without your,
Oh.
Only that's that.
without your
Second
What
underneath
the-
us.
is that toilet? Only
without
that's
your toilet showing, because sometimes based on how they build the sink
that. Yeah.
and the bathroom, if you hear the toilet, so they build it a little so, and then the toilet is kind
They
of
come out for content creators.
yeah. It's chic, as the guy rightly said. It's chic, like
Chic.
it's nice. And for 3 bedrooms, not ridiculously small. Not the additional 2 bedrooms, not the biggest obviously, but it's not ridiculously small.
But I
Yeah.
loved the windows and the lights coming in through them.
We had
Yeah.
one long.
So yeah, that long one, I love that wall. That was beautiful. Yeah.
But all in all, we're getting closer. We're getting closer. Yeah. All right. Thank you. Cool. Peace out.
Out.
Bye.
Bye.